What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled Karen She's Not Above the Law. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
2024. Officers conducted a routine traffic stop on a vehicle speeding in a school zone.
They're in the country today.
Morning, how you doing? You want to stop you this morning? What's that? Yes, ma'am. You actually were doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone in a school zone. Yes, ma'am. You were speeding. You were speeding. Yes, ma'am. Can I see your driver's license, please? Ma'am, can I see your driver's license, please? 3120. Keep going. Start me another unit.
Brother, she's cooked. She said, "Who's the victim? Was there an emergency? You speeding in a school zone. Like, what is you talking about?" This is what I'm saying. The way that you approach a cop, it could go one or two ways. You know what I'm saying? Because cops have a little bit more discretion. Oh, wait, hold on. What's good, Brooklyn? Appreciate the donation, man. I listen to old school. Yeah. Facts. Yeah, so cops have a little bit of wiggle room and a little bit of discretion. Obviously, now that they have body cams, there's a little bit less, but still, people could get out of traffic tickets. You know what I'm saying? If the cop having a good day, you came off respectful, whatever. But the way that she coming off right now, she ain't gonna get no break.
Can I see your driver's license, please? Ma'am, can I see your driver's license, please? 3120. Keep going. Start me another unit. Ma'am, can you go ahead and give me your driver's license, please? Ma'am, I need to see your driver's license, please. Ma'am, I need to see your driver's license, please. I told you, ma'am, you were speeding. Ma'am, you were speeding in the school zone.
Where is the victim?
3120. I have a non-compliant driver.
No, I'm trying to help.
No, ma'am, you're not. I need to see your driver's license, ma'am.
I do not consent.
Okay, it doesn't matter if you consent to this.
I don't understand.
Okay, I told you were speeding in the school zone. Okay, I'm telling you what's going on right now. You were speeding in a school zone. Okay.
I
You-
want the victim. I'm happy to help.
Ma'am?
I want to help you.
Ma'am,
It's her.
I'm going to need to see your driver's license. You failed to obey. Yes, I have, ma'am. I have. Yes.
Okay, so are you giving me a statutory?
You were speeding, ma'am. Ma'am, you were speeding. Ma'am, if you do not give me your driver's
cooked.
license,
About to get her
ma'am,
together.
if you do not give me your driver's license, it is going to lead to you being arrested and going to the Forsyth County Jail. Okay? I would like for you to give me your driver's license. You were speeding in a school zone doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone. Okay, ma'am?
I want to help.
You're not, ma'am. This is not the time and place. Yes, you are being detained right now.
Where's the warrant?
You just committed a crime back there. You were speeding in the school zone.
Where's the victim?
Ma'am? You were speeding in the school zone.
Where's the crime?
I told you you just were speeding in a school zone. The state of Georgia says you were speeding in a school zone, okay?
Man, we doing too much talking,
Okay.
man.
Ma'am, you're gonna go to jail if you do not comply right now. Ma'am,
I know he just waiting
you're
on
not
backup.
helping. You're making this harder on yourself. Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license. You were speeding in a school zone doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone. Okay? All right, I would just like to give you a citation and you can go around your way.
But I don't
But I cannot give you that until you provide me your driver's license. You're required by law to give me your driver's license right now.
The constitutional law?
The state of Georgia says you have to provide me your driver's license in the case for this is a legal stop, ma'am, okay? I need you to provide me your driver's license.
I did nothing unlawful.
Yes, ma'am, you were speeding in a school zone.
I did nothing unlawful.
Ma'am, you are speeding in a school zone. Ma'am, you're not making this easy on yourself right now. I need you to stop. I need you to give me your driver's license. Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license right now. Okay.
I don't understand.
All right. Well, you're speeding in the school zone doing over 50 miles an hour. This is not going to go well for you. Okay. I need you to provide me your driver's license. All right. Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license. I'm going to ask you one last time. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from this vehicle and you're going to go to jail. Ma'am, it doesn't matter what you consent to at this point.
Uh-oh, the boys is here, so
I told you you're being pulled over for speeding in a school zone.
Let's get to it. The boys is here. She ain't acting right. Time to get her together. I knew he was waiting on backup.
She's pulling the constitutional lawyer stuff.
Okay.
So she's being non-compliant.
Okay.
So we're about to yank her out and take her to jail.
Go ahead.
Hey, so yeah, she's basically pulling she's basically doing you know, I'm a traveler. What constitutional law have I broken? I'm not a victim.
Okay.
But she was doing over 50 in the freaking in the school zone over here.
Okay. I'm about to be out there with you.
Okay.
Ready to 3120.
Come on, now get her together, man. Let's
Still
go.
no.
The boys is here now.
She registered on the vehicle?
No, she's not. It's so it comes back to a male.
Okay.
So
So you stopped her for speeding?
yeah, stopped her for speeding. Like I said, it was back in my before the school zone, and then I was like, whoa, she seems a little bit go faster than 35. So I caught up to her. She was doing over 50. We were doing about like 52, 53 before I pulled her over when I was in the school zone. So,
Pacing her?
yeah, pacing her. So I stopped her for that, and I was just like, you know, you're just speeding. And then she started doing what you're meant to have to hold the Constitution. Been asking for a driver's license multiple times. Told her that, you know, I do have the right to detain you. I have right to ask for your driver's license because you're speeding, and she still has yet to provide that information. We even told her, it's like, you don't provide that, you're going to go to jail.
You got her driver's license.
Twin told she's under arrest. Okay. She's driving since we got.
Ma'am, so your license is suspended, okay? So right now you're under arrest, okay? You're under arrest, so you need to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
I'm sorry, I did not
Hey, step out of the car. This is step out of the
They're
car.
taking out their car, they're going out. I do not consent to this.
Come on.
Oh my God, what are you doing? My God!
Oh, now that body cam. Come on now. Oh, we can't even see the good part. What type of stuff is this?
Stand up. You're talking a whole lot for somebody who can't breathe. It's like this whole.
Did you call for a record?
Not yet. Go ahead and start one.
Primetime cam. Y'all gotta do better than this. This is bad body cam. Missed all the action.
So what part of you is injured?
Right, my wrists were injured. My knees were scraped against the ground in my throat. I was put in a chokehold. What do you mean?
Do you mind if I look at your throat?
No, I had over her head, but never around her throat.
Okay,
Over her body there.
no, I
just leave her the arm and then-
Yeah.
I was just trying to do under the
Yeah, I had her right hand with my left.
You want me to look at your head?
Kind of just,
Do you have anything on you? So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you step up. I'm gonna have you step up.
DFC.
I'm gonna have you step up. We'll adjust those cuffs, okay?
I think it went pretty smooth.
Just face the car, face the car. Nothing in your pockets or anything like that.
I'm not wearing a bra, so
Okay.
please don't touch me.
Well, you've got to check your back, ma'am, okay? Gotta make sure you got nothing on you.
I'm just saying, for the front, please don't molest me.
I'm not going to do that, ma'am, okay? All right, go and have a seat.
Wait, let's check these.
You already loosened them.
All right, so those are as loose as they can go. I can fit 2 fingers in there. Okay. So I'll tell you something. If you keep your hands just the way they are, so the cuffs won't twist around, it'll stay comfortable that way. It'll stay more comfortable that way.
The woman was charged with driving on a suspended license and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have
Man, that was bullshit, man. That was complete bullshit, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. That ain't like how the typical body cam footage go. Like that was some bullshit. I ain't even gonna lie. Why they even put this out? Crime Time Cam, I fuck with y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? But come on, man. You know, golly, that was some bullshit, bro. They feel sorry for her. They sugarcoating everything. It's sweet. This traffic stop took about an hour. Like literally, this is. I know they chopped it up or whatever, and I understand the one cop, you know, waiting for backup. You know what I'm saying? But once backup came, we supposed to get to the action. You know what I'm saying? Like that was, man, yo, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie, cause yeah, that was crazy. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know, man. I'm gonna get them cops a 3. You know what I mean? Cause it is satisfactory. They did do their job. You know what I'm saying? They didn't overstep like how they normally do. But I wonder why they didn't overstep like they normally do. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was man. That was that, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.